This is a food processor which I recently bought from the brand Usha, and this video is about unboxing of the food processor. And as we go on, I'll explain you what are the attachments which comes with it and what is used for what. So let's get started. As you can see, these are two different attachments. One is used for a citric juice and the other one is for the chopping. This is a spatula to scrape whatever you are grinding. There is another attachment now. This goes into the big jar. Without this, none of the attachments would work. As you can see, there are a lot of attachments here in the box, which is used for different purpose. Let's start with this big one. This is a multi-purpose jar. You can change different attachments here for the slicing, chopping, kneading of atta dough and whisking. So this is the main jar and a very important one. This dome shape goes into this jar, and on that you have to fix all the attachments. This is the lid of the jar and has to be fixed on the jar. It has got a locking system which you have to understand very carefully, otherwise it might just jam the jar. You will not be able to open it if you don't follow the proper instructions. If you understand it right, it's very easy. This is another jar which is mostly used for milkshakes. The third jar is a medium jar to grind your wet and dry masala. These are simple and easy jar attachments which is very common in all the mixies. This is yet another important attachment. This attachment is used to grate, chop, cut, and is fixed on this dome shape attachment. Now this is the juicer attached. You can remove your orange or citric juices basically. This is another juicer attachment. You can remove all your vegetable juice like carrot, lauki, and it's very easy. There is a knob down so the juice directly falls in the glass or a jar. This is a small jar which is mostly used for chutneys or any small portion of masala that you need to grind. Another common jar which comes in all the mixies. This is a very important part of this food processor, and all the attachments and jar will be fixed on this particular machine. It has got a knob out there, as you can see. The very good thing about this machine is that this has got a tray down, so you can keep all your attachments in the tray, which becomes very convenient to keep and use. This blade is used to slice your onions or any other vegetables that you need to slice. The second blade has two options. One is for grating and one is for the French fries. The third blade is used for grating anything fine, mostly used for coconut grating. There's a brochure of Usha food processor in it, which has all the details to help you out, and these are all the attachments and blades. What I like most about this Usha food processor is that tray in the machine, which helps to keep all the blades in place without it getting misplaced, and easy and very convenient. I am totally loving using this food processor. It has made my life easy. Chopping, cutting, kneading atta is all being taken care by this food processor. Half of my work is done here, and it makes cooking more enjoyable and less stressful. I will definitely recommend this food processor to everyone. In no time, work gets done. One more thing I would like to mention here, it has got a rubber grip down which makes it very sturdy to use it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much.